Hello, my dear students. How are you? I hope all are good. Today, let me start SST chapter number 12 Natural Resources and Pollution. It means आज हम पढ़ेंगे कि कुछ प्राकृतिक स्रोत और प्रदूषण ठीक है उसके बारे में हम पढ़ेंगे. So in this chapter you will learn about natural resources and pollution. Harmful substances that damage the environments are called pollutants and it is called pollution. Natural resources हमारे प्राकृतिक साधन. So natural resources are the earth's treasures. They are things such as minerals, forests and coal with existent place and can be used by people. Natural resources include source of energy, air, water, land, soil, minerals, microorganisms, plants and animals. Types of natural resources. Natural resources are of two types and inexhaustible resources and exhaustible resources. Inexhaustible resources are present in unlimited quantity in nature and are not like to be exhausted by human use. So these include solar energy, air and tidal energy and rainfall. So exhaustible resources are present in limited quantity in nature and are likely to be finished by human use. So they cannot be replaced. Exhaustible resources are of two types. So they are renewable resources and non-renewable resources. Crops, forests, domestic animals and wildlife are renewable resources. Metal, mineral, coal and petroleum are non-renewable resources. मतलब जो दोबारा से काम यूज आ सकते हैं. ये नहीं मेटल मिनरल कोल ये जो है एक बार यूज होके फिर ये बेकार हो जाते हैं, डिस्ट्रॉय हो जाते हैं. Human beings can manipulate the environment to their advantage. Human beings depend more on and draw more materials and energy from the environment than other organisms. So we have been using natural resources indiscriminately. This has happened because of these reasons. Okay, a tremendous increase in the human population, urbanization, industrial and technological advancement. Natural resources have to be used carefully because some of these resources are found in abundance while others are found in limited quantities and that too in restricted areas of our land. Moreover, the indiscriminate use of natural resources has resulted in an imbalance in the environment and has given rise to various environmental problems like acid rain, soil erosion, ozone depletion, and pollution. So, every day we add harmful substances to the air, water, and soil. So, harmful substances that damage the environment are called pollutants. So, the process of damaging the environment is called environmental pollution. एयर पोल्यूशन सबसे पहले हम बात करेंगे एयर पोल्यूशन की. व्हेन वी गेट स्टक इन सिटी ट्रैफिक जैम सो द स्मोक कमिंग आउट ऑफ द व्हीकल्स मेक अस फील अनकंफर्टेबल. है ना, जब हम जाम में फंसे होते हैं तो उसमें क्या होता है, जाम में गाड़ियां खड़ी हैं बट वो चालू रहती है तो उनमें से जो पीछे से जो फॉग वो निकलता है धुआं, तो वो हमारे लिए बहुत हार्मफुल होता है. सो द स्मोक दैट कम्स आउट ऑफ व्हीकल्स कंटेन्स हार्मफुल गैसेस. इट कॉजेज एयर पोल्यूशन. So air pollution can cause a number of diseases like asthma, breathing trouble, skin problems, and even the loss of eyesight. If the air is very dusty, some dust can get into our lungs and damage them. So it can also lead to a more deadly disease like cancer. Water pollution. What is the most widespread substance found in the natural environment? All animals and plants need a supply of clean water to survive. So these water sources get polluted by various harmful chemicals. They are called water pollutants. So the main water pollutants are domestic sewage, soaps and detergents, heavy metals and acid from industrial waste, seepage of chemical, pesticides and insecticides from agricultural. Ways to reduce water pollution. If water pollution is not controlled, it will lead not only to deadly diseases but also extinction of life on earth. So these measures can be taken to reduce water pollution. Number one, factories should be not allowed to pour this dirty chemicals into water bodies. तो जो factories है उनमें जो है जो वो अपना वेस्ट निकालती हैं तो उनको बैन कर दिया जाए कि ये जो अपना वेस्ट है ये पानी में नहीं इसको डालेंगे. Sewage should be treated before being released into water bodies. Instead of chemical pesticides, natural fertilizers should be used to grow crops. Noise pollution. Dhwani pradushan. Noise is a loud, unpleasant sound. We get irritated by the noise coming from machines and motor horns and loudspeakers. So modern towns and cities are very noisy places. While traveling in a city, we can hear the blaring horn of vehicles. When such noise causes headaches and upsets people where they live and work, it is known as noise pollution. So some sources of noise pollution are the constant rumble of the traffic, the sound of machinery, the sounds of alarm sirens, the high pitched sounds of aircrafts, loudspeakers, firecrackers. Noise pollution can damage our ears, it irritates our brain. Okay, and can cause serious illness like high blood pressure and even permanent deafness. So, extreme noise pollution can even result in death. Ways to reduce noise pollution. We should take these measures to reduce noise pollution. We should not blow the horn of a vehicle unless necessary. है ना? Unnecessary क्या है? हमें horn नहीं बजाने चाहिए. We should keep the volume of the music and the television low at home. We should use loudspeaker within the limited time and volume. Today, pollution is a serious problem which needs to be tackled immediately. We should all be aware that we need to reduce, reuse, and recycle as much as possible to lessen the pressure on our limited resources and on our planet. So, the all topics are covered in this chapter. I hope you all are very well understand this. We will meet you the next class. Thank you.